Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, Taurus, I'll be picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, so stay tuned for that, guys. That will come right after this daily energy. Before we start the reading for your daily energy, Taurus, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in your life, guys. So let's see what are these cards. Ace of Cups, Six of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. With these cards, Taurus, I see that some kind of passionate new beginnings are coming in your life, guys. Something which you love to do. It may be your some creative venture you are doing, something that you love to do, so you are proceeding in that path. Some second career maybe for some of you, or it may be a new love, a new relationship, so something which is helping you a lot today, something which is filling you with true happiness. And that is what is happening to you, guys, Taurus. So what fills your heart with happiness? That kind of a person is coming towards you. This person is helping you with their guidance, support, and you are also supporting them in every way possible, and you are making great efforts in your life today, guys. In your career or personal life, you are putting in lot of time and energy to make things go in the right way for you. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. For that more detailed love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and open your eyes after some time and choose a pile that comes to you first. So that will answer any questions that you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. So I will be starting with this deck. This is the first deck and this is the second deck, guys. So we will start after a few seconds, guys. Let's start the reading now with the first deck, guys. So we will be picking few cards from this deck for your love situation. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what are the cards. So you can think of the questions about your situation. Eight of Water, Queen of Air, and Nine of Earth. For those who have chosen this first deck, guys, with these cards, I see that in this connection you are trying to build that strong foundation with this person, and you are a person who knows what you need and you know what is your goal, and you are very organized and you have a clear communication with people with whom you are involved in. So you know what you need and you know what you need in that other person and what will work for you for this connection. You have that deep knowledge, and maybe today you are working towards that better understanding. So all that is hiding yourself, some kind of mask or something of that person. However, they are trying to hide their feelings or hide their emotions or hide their true side, whatever their face is. So you are working towards that truth, trying for that better understanding, and you are choosing what is right for you because you know what you want in your heart of hearts. Maybe if it is love that you want with this person, and if you have that true love, you are ready to give up that fear and shame by letting that other person see yourself and your they, or it may be their energy or your energy, guys. You have that open mindedness today. You want to work open minded because you want to build that strong foundation today, guys. So that may be the reason, and that is the foundation. You are giving up your fear and shame and your that sense of some kind of worries that what this person will think if you show your true face. But you have to show your authentic self if you want that beautiful relationship, guys. So maybe for some of you, you may have this person coming out with some secrets, telling you the truth about something, and you are building a better relationship, guys. That is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for those who have chosen this deck, guys, the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we'll be picking 3 cards for you guys from this deck. So these are the cards here. It's 6 of moons, 9 of stars in reverse, and 3 of moons. With these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, you are in the verge of making some important decisions today. Maybe for some of you, you are ready to pop that question whether this person is ready to marry you. You are ready to propose today. So you are still thinking and deciding within yourself, and some of you are having that worry, some kind of apprehensions whether this person may not accept your proposal. But need not worry, guys. I see that this person will accept your proposal and your fears are unfounded. So you need not have that fear. This person loves you and you are celebrating this connection, and maybe you can propose to them with gifts, so they will be taken by surprise, guys. You can gift them to propose some kind of or you can take them out somewhere and propose, and I see celebration here. So I think this person also loves you and they are also expecting you to come towards them. So this may be the right time for you guys to ask them the question whether they love you and whether they are ready to be with you, have that deep meaningful connection with you guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.